One of the most monumental battles you will ever face in your life is the battle to conquer yourself. The truth is, the most formidable opponent you will ever face is not found in the world around you. It's not your neighbor, your boss, or the circumstances you were born into. No, the most formidable opponent you will ever face is the person staring back at you in the mirror every morning, yourself. It's as if we're in a constant battle with our own inner demons, those voices that whisper, "You're not good enough," or "You can't do it." But you were born with the power to silence those doubts and fears and replace them with unwavering self-belief. So, how do you conquer yourself? It starts with self-awareness. You must understand your strengths and weaknesses, your fears and insecurities. Envision your goals and success as a powerful motivator. Embrace your flaws, for they are a part of what makes you unique. But don't let them define you. Use your self-awareness as a tool to carve your personal growth and development. Set clear and ambitious goals for yourself. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Your goals should be your North Star, guiding your actions and decisions. Write them down, break them into manageable steps, and work relentlessly toward them every single day. Practice mindfulness to stay present and focused on your goals. Manage your time effectively, focusing on high-priority tasks and eliminating distractions. Continuously educate yourself, whether through formal education, reading, or seeking out new experiences. Keep an open mind to change, as it is a natural part of life and personal development. Cultivate a growth mindset by believing in your ability to learn and improve throughout life. The most successful people are those who never give up. When you fall, get back up. When you're having doubts, remind yourself of why you have come this far. Transforming into the best possible version of yourself is among life's greatest accomplishments, and can be one of the most profound and rewarding journeys you can embark upon. Remember that conquering yourself is not a destination, but a continuous journey. Embrace each step, no matter how small, and keep moving forward.